Alright, today Turbo Toys R Us is bringing you this 1982 beautifully modified Toyota Starlet with an amazing turbocharged swap in it. This car is owned by our South Florida friend right here, Louis. Louis, how are you?
Good to see you.
All right, man. Your car is amazing. Thank you for sharing the car with Turbo Toys R Us for the world to see one of the most beautiful swap turbocharged 1982 Starlet.
Yes, sir.
How long did this car take you to build?
Well, I got this car for almost 15 years.
15 years.
15 years, yes, sir.
And how long did it take you to build this machine?
Well, it takes me total like 8 years.
8 years. The paint on it is immaculate. The engine work, 3S GTE, turbocharged, custom. Anyone you wanted to give recommendations about who helped you to build this car?
Yes, my fabrication guy, what's his name? Ruben Sanchez, RS Fabrication.
All right. Ruben Sanchez, RS Fabrication. All right, we're gonna put his information on the video. All right, and how about the paint? Who did the paint work?
The paint job, Eric Custom.
All right,
Pompano.
it's in Pompano. All right, Pompano, Florida, guys. This is a South Florida machine. What do you like about the 3S GTE swap?
Wow, that swap is amazing. A lot of power, a lot of
All right.
kick. I love it.
All right, and
I
it's
really enjoy it.
and the way you got it done, I can bet you this is reliable. Daily driver, if you want to go in it, turnkey startup, and everything is working fine, right?
Every day.
All right, power when you need it.
Exactly.
All right, brother. Louis, I thank you very much for sharing your machine with us here from South Florida. Thank you. Turbo Toys R Us, guys, bringing you one of the most powerful and beautiful Toyota Starlets modified here in South Florida. All right, hopefully you enjoy. Remember to like, subscribe, share, and comment.
Turbo Toys R Us.